Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a motor mount on a 2001 Toyota Solara. So I have an impact wrench inch right here. This is the mount. Go to the front. That's the mount right there, guys. So I got three bolts at the bottom. Now it seems like one of them is nut. There's a nut right here, and also a bolt right here, one here, one to the other side. And you have four of them on this bracket right here, and right here you have one. So you're going to use a 17 for the bolt right here, and for the other bolts you're going to use a 15 for the nut on the front of the mount. That's right here. I'm having trouble get this camera to focus, but you're going to use a 15 socket for the front nut, and right here you have a 14 socket to remove this bracket from right here. Also, you're gonna need an extension, so I'm using this long extension, guys. But first, let me pop this bolt right here. Oh, it's a bit tight, so I may need to take the extension off. So you can use it without the extension, guys. And there you go. So now I get it loose. So I need to get those. I think those should pull easily with the long extension. Alright, that's one. Put it on the ground for now so I don't lose it. That's another one. Okay, so I get all four of them loose. Alright, so there's three of them right there. Alright, just gonna rest them on the strut wall. Get this bracket out the way. Just the mount. It's the old one right here, guys. This one is bad. Alright, so as you can see, this one is really bad, guys. So now I need to get those from the bottom. Alright, so I get one. And now that bolt go. Okay, so it's on the guard. Alright, so that's it right there. Rest them right here. I need to get that one from the front. Wow. So break off. Got this, guys. So I'm having some trouble right here now. Alright. I should lose it from the bottom. Why they make it like this, guys? It's quite crazy. They make everything on motor vehicles so difficult. So I'm loosening it from the top. Alright, so this is the bolt. Alright, so Now I know that that one come from the bottom, so let me drop the new mount in. Alright, so now I get in the mount, so I just need to tighten it up. I have to do the one at the bottom from underneath the car. So I'm going to put the bracket back in place. So I'm going to have to use a nut. I'm going to find myself a nut for right here. Alright guys, so I find myself a nut, and it's 17. Alright, so that's it right there. Alright, so I got it guys. So that's how the one at the bottom to tighten onto the front. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.